Welcome back, everyone. Imagine this: one single page that does the job of your website, your store, and your landing pages, all at once. And you own it forever. Sounds impossible, right? But it's not. It's called BioStack, and it's about to change the way creators, coaches, and sellers think about their online presence. Let's be real. Most of us are stuck paying $8, $20, even $35 every single month for link and bio tools that give us nothing more than buttons. Buttons, that's it. And here's the kicker. You keep paying long after you set it up. That subscription just keeps draining your account. BioStack flips the script. One payment, no subscription, no lock-in. You set it up once and it's yours forever. But here's where it gets wild. BioStack isn't just a link page, it's 6 conversion weapons packed into one beautiful bio. Link blocks for your shop, posts or newsletter, YouTube embeds so people watch your video without leaving, image galleries to showcase your work, product cards with buy buttons, turning your bio into a mini storefront, email opt-in forms to grow your list, contact forms so clients can reach you directly. That's not a bio link, that's a storefront, a landing page, and a portfolio rolled into one. And the setup, ridiculously simple. 3 steps, pick a theme, drop in your content, and publish. Done. Picture this. Your followers click your bio link, and instead of a boring list of buttons, they see your latest video, your products ready to buy, your gallery, and a form to join your email list. That's traffic turning into subscribers, buyers, and fans. Creators, coaches, freelancers, musicians, if you've got an audience, BioStack gives you a page that actually converts. No more renting your bio link, no more watermarks, no more being trapped on someone else's platform. With BioStack, you own everything you build. Export it to HTML, host it anywhere, and keep it forever. And because this is launch week, you're not just getting the builder, you're getting 5 bonuses that make your page unstoppable. The Bio Copy Vault with 100+ headlines and CTAs, the Click Magnet Traffic Playbook to drive daily clicks, a 7-day welcome email sequence to warm up new subscribers, a QR Studio software to turn your link into branded QR codes, and the 60-second publishing masterclass to take your page live instantly. All of that included. One payment, no subscription, nothing to cancel. So let me ask you, why keep paying rent on your bio link when you can own it outright? Your bio is the front door to your brand. Shouldn't it be more than buttons? Shouldn't it be a storefront, a gallery, a landing page all in one? That's what BioStack delivers. And right now, during launch week, you can lock it in at the lowest one-time price. After August 11th, the cart closes and this founder deal is gone. So, if you're ready to stop paying monthly fees, if you're ready to own your bio forever, and if you're ready to turn clicks into conversions, BioStack is waiting. One page, one payment, infinite possibilities. This is BioStack, and it could replace your website, your store, and your landing pages starting today. All right, that's it for me today. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.